So you deleted the disk on your Mac, or you accidentally formatted the memory card of your camera and now all your important images are lost. Well, don't worry, because today I'll show you an amazing software that does the job pretty well in recovering all that lost data. Name of this software is Stellar Photo Recovery. You can check out their website for more information. This software is available for both Windows and Mac. With this software, you can recover up to 10 free photos and videos from any hard drive or portable drive that you have. It supports the latest Mac OS and it's compatible with all M-chip MacBooks. Further, it says you can recover permanently deleted media. For example, in case of a formatted memory card. You can also do a deep scan to see every possible image that can be recovered. Now I'll just click on free download and the software should start downloading. Once downloaded, just install this software by following on-screen instructions. When you open up Stellar Photo Recovery, you get this kind of interface. You can either recover all data or you can customize your scan. For example, you can just add photos instead of audio and video. I'll click here on Recover From and I'll insert my memory card, which I accidentally formatted, and now all my data is just gone. Once I insert this memory card, it'll be shown up here. You can see that the drive is almost empty. I'll select this drive and start the scan. Now it's scanning and let's see what it shows up. So now the scan is complete and it says one file has been found in 3 folders. I'll click on OK. Now, if I want to recover my images, I'll click on Recover and it'll do the job. Just pick the folder where you want to put these recovered files. Now my files have been recovered and they are placed in this folder. If you cannot find any files using the quick scan, you can try Deep Scan, which will take a bit of time, but it'll give you the best possible results for recovering maximum files lost from your disk drive. So that was all about Stellar Recovery software for Mac. Do check it out. Its link will be down in the description. And with that said, I'll catch you in the next one.